The formal bail application of former SAA board member Yakhe Kwinana has now started in the East London Magistrates Court. In fact, she's taken the stand. Let's listen in.
If you are released on bail and it later transpires that you were not honest about the said information,
ukuba kunokwenzeka ukhululwe ngebheyile namhlanje kuze kufunyanwe songaphandle ngebheyile kuthi kanti awuzange unyaniseke ngalelo,
bail may be provisionally cancelled and forfeited.
inakho ke ngokukoxuthwa ibheyile yakho itshone ingaphindi buyiselwe kuwe.
And the warrant that is for your arrest will be issued.
Uphinde ukhutshelwe omnye umsilo wengwe ukuba mawuyobanjwa.
They are also advised that should you elect to testify, everything you say in this proceeding, apart from that information relating to the previous conviction and pending cases, will form part of the trial proceeding.
Uyaphinda uyayalwa ke ngoku lokuba konke ozokuthetha ngoku ngesicelo sakho sebheyile kunokwenzeka ke ngoku lisetyenziswe ngaloo mini uzokuxoxa ngalo ityala lakho ngaphandle kweziyambuso zibalisile ngaphambi kocela kwakho ibheyile.
You're not obliged to incriminate yourself.
Awunyanzeleki uba muzirhintyele etyaleni.
Do you understand the explanation?
Uyivile nale ngcaciso ndikuxeleleyo nkosikazi?
It's too much information. I would rather that these questions be asked individually because I really have forgotten all of them now.
Zininzi ke ngoku izinto zibhekiswe kum ngoku bendizonqwenela ukuthi le mibuzo ibhekiswe umbuzo ngamnye ngexesha kuba ngoku andisakhumbuli uba siqale phi na sewumaphi na.
In fact, these are not questions I'm advising you of your rights at this stage, but I will deal with them one by one.
Kuqala ke ibingeyiyo mibuzo lona ibibhekiswa kuwe, qha ibiyimiyalelo okanye ingcebiso ezinikwayo zokuba uhanjwa njani na xa umntu esenza isicelo esifana nesi naso. Kodwa ndizawuqala ke ngoku ekuqaleni umbuzo ube mnye ngexesha.
And then I will ask you every time I advise you whether you understand the explanation.
Ndizomane ndikubuza njalo ke ngokuba ingcaciso lena uyivile na.
You have a right to testify, and you can call witnesses to testify on your behalf, or you remain silent.
Unelungelo lokufunga unike ubungqina apha enkundleni okanye ungabiza amangqina azokuncedisa kwisicelo sakho sebheyili okanye unakho nokuthula uthi xwa.
Do you understand?
Uyayiva loo ndawo? I request the interpreter to recuse herself, Your Worship.
Like the last one, the last sentence.
You have a right to testify, and you can call witnesses to testify on your behalf, or you can remain silent.
Agreed. Thank you.
Now I must inform you, you are obliged to inform this court that whether you have any previous convictions or pending cases.
Agreed. Thank you.
If you have any pending cases, whether whether you were released on bail in those cases or pending cases.
Agreed. Thank you.
Whether you have any protection orders issued against you, either by the complainant or any other person.
Yes, agreed. Thank you.
You understand? So
I understand.
whether you are now or were at the time of the commission of the alleged offense, a sentenced offender, subject to correctional supervision or parole. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Now, failure to disclose the said bail information constitutes a criminal offense for which, if convicted, you may be released, you may be sentenced rather to a period of imprisonment of up to 2 years or a fine of up to 80,000 rand.
I understand.
If you are released on bail and it later transpires that you were not honest about the said information, bail may be provisionally cancelled and forfeited, and the warrant for your arrest will be issued.
I understand.
Should you elect to testify, everything you say in these proceedings, apart from that information relating to previous convictions and pending cases, will form part of the trial proceedings.
I understand.
Now, you are not obliged to implement yourself.
I understand.
May proceed.
Thank
Now,
you.
Ms. Kwinana, since there is indication that you are going to give me evidence, you have no objection in taking a discount?
No, I have no objections.
You swear that the evidence you shall give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. If that is so, then raise up your right hand and say sorry to God.
Sorry, people.
Thank you, Worship. I will ask Mam Kwinana to please raise your voice so that the recordings in front of you can grasp what you are saying. Please inform this honorable court of your full date of birth.
Before we proceed, I think she has indicated that she does not require the services of the military. Now I want to establish whether that is the scope of the proceeding.
Indeed, Your Worship, it's still the case, but she's being assured with the microphone. Yes, ma'am.
21 July 1964.
And how old are you?
61 years old.
Kindly tell this honorable court of your place of residence.
I live at 76 Forest Avenue, Blue Valley Golf Estate, Centurion.
Do you have any alternative address in which you may be found?
Also live in East London, Farm 1409, the location. That is where I am married. I also have my mother and my grandmother who live in my birthplace, Elnobo, Manzana location.
Are those the three addresses that you have?
Yes.
And did you provide to the police the address in which you reside, permanently reside?
Yes, I provided the police, and in fact, I even sent them the location which they used when they arrested me.
So, in essence, you directed them to where you were on the day of arrest.
Yes.
And with whom do you reside in this address, miss?
I reside with my husband and my two children, 28 and 24 years old.
And what type of dwelling is this? Is the structure? Is it a shed? Is it a flat? Is it a house that can be easily broken down where you can actually live and stay anywhere else?
It's a standalone house within a security estate.
And without repeating it, I've heard you said you are married.
I am married
And how long have you been married?
for 28 years.
And also you said you have two children that you're staying with. Are those the only children you have?
I have another adult child, 42 years old, who does not live with us.
I hope I'm not rushing you.
No, I'm still with you.
Are you currently employed, ma'am?
I am unemployed.
Yakhe Kwinana there is giving testimony in a case that, of course, has garnered a lot of interest in the East London Magistrates Court. We'll take you back there in just a moment.